Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change default PDF viewer on any Android. So this is actually pretty simple. So guys, when you open up a certain file, it just opens that file automatically in some kind of app. And sometimes you just don't want that app to open that file and you wish to choose something else. So pretty much just change, for example, in our case, a PDF extension file to be opening in another app. So say I want to open this PDF file right here, and as you can see, it's just opening. So for example, if I open this PDF with a screenshot inside of it, as you can see, it asks me to choose the app. If you don't get this notification pop-up, you just long press, go three dots at the top, and then you open with, like this, or you will have something like open with another app or something like that. And now, guys, this is pretty simple. So when you press on it, as you can see, it opens up automatically, but we just want to long press three dots, which is more, and then you press on the second tab from the bottom, open in another app, and as you can see now, this is our magical function. So you just choose which app you wish to open that file for. So in our case, it's PDF, and then you press on remember my choice. And the next time you open up this file, this extension, that particular app will be opening that file again and again, unless you change it. So this is how it's done, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.